What's going on, guys? We're standing right here in front of a beautiful brand new Silvercrest manufactured home right here in Silver City Mobile Lodge, located in San Luis Obispo. We have two brand new double wides and a single wide available here. This is an all-age manufactured housing community. This home was just delivered a couple days ago. It's just getting ready to be married together. That's why you see it in two sections. But the first thing we're gonna do is when we set up these homes, we're gonna tie these two homes together all the way down the marriage line. And we're also gonna do piers, pads with an earthquake bracing system. Lock tops is what they're called, to clamp them together. So if there is an earthquake, this home is safe and sound. Once we do the marriage line, they call it marrying the home together, and we do the foundation with the piers and pads, the next step is to put the skirting all around the home. Let's go take a look to see what the home looks like when it's transported and dropped off on the property. All right, come in tight here. So the home is literally built on a steel chassis. So it starts with the floors, they build the walls, and then they build from the outside in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna jack up this home onto piers and pads. And when we put them on the piers and pads, we're gonna take off the wheels and axles, and we recycle the wheels and axles. Once the home's put together and signed off by the HCD inspector, then it's ready to do the skirting and the drywall closeout.